Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'd like to tell you a bit more about our sustainability journey. It all started in 2009 when we aligned to the global food purpose of unleashing the global food community to create a role model sustainability and health and nutrition food business. Our next step was to pull together a group of passionate associates who come from all different functions who wanted to be part of a team called the Green Team. And this team set about developing the vision and strategy for sustainability for Mars Food South Africa. And with this new understanding, we had different conversations happening in the business, and different ideas and projects came about how to save and initiate quick wins on projects to do with efficiencies in the factory. I think it's best now to go over to the associates who were involved in these projects that we're particularly proud of on site, for them to share more about them. So over to them.
Just a brief update quickly on our site sustainability initiatives that we embarked on since, for the last 2 years. Quickly on water leak saving result, we reduced our total water consumption by 88% in 2008, and that equates to a reduction of 36.6 million litres of water. Then on our saving energy on site, this year we did a major improvement on our steam reticulation to reduce our heavy furnace oil fuel consumption. We estimate the consumption saving in the region of about 26% in 2010. We fitted motion detection switches for lights in corridors and removed unnecessary light bulbs from fittings. This has resulted in the saving of about 119 megawatt hours for this year. Having achieved the predicted savings from the steam reticulation upgrade, we will implement phase 2, which involves replacing the long large diameter steam line with a much smaller diameter line. The result will be a further estimated 22% reduction in heavy furnace oil consumption.
This winder has been manufactured in-house with our redundant machinery to wind all the part reels that come off the end of runs. The end of runs, we are left with reels that are small. We wind 3 or 4 of them together. We get a 25 or a 30 kg, which we can put back on the line.
What we found was by doing this, we cut down 14 tons of waste, and we created a cost saving of 300,000 rands. The cores that come from this reel, we send off for recycling to Mondi. Mondi pays us the fee, and then we use that money then to fund an orphanage in Khayelitsha.
Since the beginning of 2008, we have systematically reduced our thickness of pallet wrap from 30 microns to 13 microns. This equates to a saving of about 2 tons per year over the past 3 years. The current spec is a 13 micron polymer blend, which is LDP blended with a polymer called metallocene, which allows for more elasticity and stretch, even though the thickness of the pallet wrap has been reduced.
Let's talk waste. Maybe just a quick fact. Cape Townians produce over 2.5 million tons of waste a year. That obviously means we contribute to that significantly. So we've moved away from being a very inefficient, ineffective waste management system to having a fully integrated waste management system with a new supplier, EnviroServe. They've been able to facilitate us in recycling 65% of our waste on site, which we've been able to sort in our new bins that they've provided for us, as well as we get loads of information in terms of the quantities being recycled and the quantities of waste that we're still sending to landfill.
In 2009, we decided to use the food bank for all product donations. What used to happen with our end of runs or non-quality product that was still fit for consumption was to donate it to ad hoc churches and children's homes. This did present problems with knowing exactly where our products went to and being able to trace them, as well as just to manage the whole process of these ad hoc requests. So by using the food bank, which represents hundreds of agencies around the Cape Metropole, we thought this was the best way to manage our product donations.
I'm Karen Kruger. I work on the Royco brand, and particularly on the ShopRite Mobile Soup Kitchen initiative. This initiative was started in the year 2007 by ShopRite, and Royco joined as a sponsor shortly thereafter, mainly to strengthen our partnership with this key retailer and also to really make a difference in disadvantaged communities by providing Royco soup powders. On a monthly basis, we give away 8.5 tons of dry Royco soup powder, And to date, we have served just over 5 million cups of soup. It's really satisfying to go out there and see how the brand that you work on every day really makes such a difference to people's lives and bring a smile to their faces. It makes me feel proud to work on the Royco brand and on this initiative.
Although we've merely started on our sustainability journey, we've seen the impact this has had on our people, our performance and our planet for our site and our business. That really inspired us to continue on this never-ending journey of sustainability through looking at operational efficiency project, investing in this, collaborating with our global food counterparts, investigating breakthrough technology investments, also fighting poverty within South Africa. And through this, we know we will make a better place of the earth, of Africa, South Africa and Cape Town, for us and for future generations. Thank you.